for you. After going to the place, you'll come to know where exactly I'm going. So come follow me. Sharav is also very eager. So, friends, actually, I'm taking you to Central. So, the place exactly which I'm visiting is a aquarium shop, or we can say a wholesale aquarium dealers, where we can get all the aquarium needed things. Maybe it can be the decorative pieces which you keep inside the aquarium, or the fishes, or the pebbles, or the food, everything you can find it. So this is the place which is near to Central in Chennai. Just behind it you can find it. It's called as More Market. So you can find old books there, so people who are studying also might use. So here, see, this is the fish which I saw. Actually, they are lovely fishes. And see the oxygen pump which is inside. Actually, comparatively, you'll have a better fish tank with lesser amount. So same fish tank you're gonna buy by keeping a little more if you go for the other place. So here it is for lesser price, and these are the people who deliver it for the many of the online websites as well. So these are the fish foods which we can use when we are traveling outside. Maybe if the fish will be at home, you need not tell anyone. You just drop it. It will pop out one after the other, and the fishes can have. And these are the goldfishes. I really love them. I bought one of them. No, a pair of them. And these fishes I didn't buy because my son chose. He was actually very happy and excited. These are the bowls which you can keep in your house if you don't want the oxygen machines, what I can say, the submerged machines, pumps what we require, right? That if you don't want to have them in your house, then you can go with the bowl also. So these are the trees, these are the decorative pieces, these are the ones which you can put below your aquarium inside. These are the fishes. I think one pair, that's the black pair I have purchased. I will be showing you, and maybe in my future upcoming videos, vlogs, you can find my aquarium, my fishes. So these are the foods which they have. Actually, as I mentioned, there is not only the fishes. See, lovely fishes. This green also I have purchased, these also I have purchased. When I see the fish, I really feel very good. My son actually was um, he was wanting to buy a fish because he wanted a pet at home. And I will tell you the story why exactly I opted it for the fish. Because when we go for the pet animal, it can be dog, it can be a bird, it can be a cat, whatever it is. Actually, it's very difficult for us to maintain, but fish is actually very easy to maintain. You just have to clean the water once in a month. They tell that once in 3 months, but okay, we can clean it. At least we can maintain it for 2 weeks, and we can change the water, or else we can call people to change the water. So that's how you can maintain. And food also, that's what it is like. We are getting showing affection towards the fish. So people who are interested obviously will drop the food. But when it comes for our pets, whenever we are going from one place to another, we need to drop it to other house or anything like that. That is the problem what we are facing, as well as much of work, because if they make something dirty or anything like that, it's very difficult for us to clean. But this is very very easy. That's why I had purchased it. See, these are the fishes. So I will keep on blubbering, but you people, please enjoy the view of the aquariums there. It was really awesome, and I feel like you people also would like to have the view. So just watch it. So actually the aquarium what we purchased, right? So they are not very small. They are actually a size which is next to the smallest aquarium. And I'll tell you why. Because I live in an apartment, right? So I don't have place to accommodate a big aquarium. If I have, I would have gone for the bigger one. But this is actually enough for us to. Actually, it looks very beautiful, and according to Vastu also, there are some beneficial points which I will discuss later. So here, actually in our aquarium, we had an aquarium, we had all the equipments like submerged pump, we had purchased all the trees, pebbles, fishes, and below that we have a rack also where we can store the fish food or all the things what we need. Basically buckets and all we cannot, because well we have to clean or remove the empty the water, we need buckets, but that we haven't purchased. That we have at home, or maybe that we cannot keep also in the rack. But yeah, fish food and the pumps which is required to fill the not fill the water, remove the water, and fish net, everything we keep under the rack. So I actually liked it. So these are the guys who work there for the shop. And actually we had been there on Saturday, I guess. I don't know exactly what's the day. It was before Ganesh Chaturthi when I visited. So I'm posting the video now, because in between I had recorded other video. That's the reason I have not posted. So now actually I have posted the video. So these are the guys who work there, really amazing guys they are. They actually helped me to bring the aquarium after fixing, as well as the rack inside my car. So amazing people. So these people, actually I need to tell you, I need to mention this. Actually they are working there because they wanted to study. They are telling like yeah, they do have problems in their family, like there are many people in their family and they cannot study. So what they are planning is like they want to work, and in this they want to proceed. So that's what so one of the person there, he is actually a helper. So these guys are the people who actually fixes the cupboards or assembles them, and delivers them to the orders which has been placed in one or most of the online websites. So they actually only they do the delivery job. But since we had visited on Saturday or Sunday, there were no people who actually does this job, but they have done the job extraordinarily nicely. They have fit the screws, everything perfectly. I really was very happy. And they are working here because they have some problems in the family. They want to achieve something in their life. So to achieve that, they are earning money here. I really liked their hard work, and very sincere people they are. So these are the filters which we get it when we purchase. So entirely we had purchased fishes, as well as the pump, as well as food, as well as the food which we can use when we are going to, or when we are traveling. So entirely the fish aquarium came for the amount of 8,000. So actually we felt it was worth buying there, because I checked in the area where I live. So it's like OMR. So there are many fish shops, aquariums where they have fishes and all, but comparatively they are costly. So if I need fish food emergency, or if I need to have feed my fish the live worms, that's when I visit those shops. Or else I will ask the person. He delivers it also. He delivers, if you order, he'll deliver it to your home in Swiggy. So if people who are really wanting to have an aquarium, you will have. So the scenery behind it, it's nothing but a sheet they have. So the toys, I have picked two of the toys from here, and really see, this one I have picked, and the frog also I have picked. Really amazing. I actually didn't have an idea that it will be so nice. I'm really in love with my aquarium, because I had aquarium even in my native where my parents live. My brother was very fond of aquarium, so we had it, and it was him who was managing everything. So here right now, everything because of my son I have purchased, and he told that he'll take care of it. So but anyhow, he's a small boy, right? We need to help him. But when it comes to aquarium in my native, my brother used to take it, and it was really awesome. And now we have actually a much more developed aquarium where it has filter. So olden days something was missing, just oxygen pipe was there, but here we have filter also that keeps the water very neat and clean.
I had come home and I fixed it also. So I'm just showing you the aquarium around. So we have I even mentioned that there are birds as well as there are animals there. I have shaken the video. Maybe next video I'll post those also, because I don't want to mix it. That's the reason. See, this is the aquarium where I've bought it home and fixed it. Thank you all. Love you. Please subscribe.